Yes. What is your question?
Sir, please explain why rent paid is an operating expense and rent received is a non operating gain.
Wow. So this is when generally children do cash flow. That is where they come across this doubt. Okay. You see that all the indirect expenses are closed from PL account and all the indirect gains are to be transferred to PL credit side. Now, out of these indirect gains, there are some gains which are operating in nature and there are some gains which are non-operating in nature. Non-operating gains. Now, rent received is a non-operating gain. Even interest is also a non-operating gain. Interest received or dividend received, these are non-operating gains. While rent paid is operating. Okay, operating. Now, rent paid, we are paying this rent for the premises which we have hired to do our core business, main business. So therefore, any expense related to core business should be an operating expense. So rent paid becomes an operating expense. While rent received is additional premises if they are provided upon rent, means let out upon rent. So we are earning an additional income other than our main business, other than our core business. So rent becomes an additional income from other sources, from non-trade investments, including interest. Interest also we can earn from by keeping our additional funds into bank. From FDs we can earn, and if we are investing in shares, so we can earn dividend. So in that case, rent is not from main business. It's out of additional source we are earning. So rent is a non-operating gain, while rent paid should be an operating expense because this is for main business. We have hired the premises. It's upon rental premises we are undergoing our business or any office. Okay. Similarly, you see interest, but will not be considered to be an operating expense. Non-operating, whenever we will take non-operating expense, so in that case interest is non-operating. Interest on loans, long term or short term, they are non-operating expenses. Interest is common. See, it is a non-operating expense, while when we earn, it is a non-operating gain. But for rent, the story is different. Just understand. That is why that was your problem, means question. I hope you understood now. Rent received, we will take in investing income while preparing cash flow. While rent paid is an operating expense, so we are not adding back while we are calculating our operating cash. Operating cash, when we are calculating operating cash flow, so at that time we are not adding back because this is already taken into consideration. I hope it is understood now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.